Hello everyone, how are you? Today I talked AlbaStar Airlines online check-in system. How to check AlbaStar Airlines online boarding pass check-in system. So this is my YouTube channel Engineer Shahjan. This channel only airlines video uploaded. So subscribe my channel and watch this video. At first typing here AlbaStar web check-in, web check-in, AlbaStar web check-in. Then enter. Then many links showing. So first link, second link, same link. So albastar.es online check-in sign reserve area albastar. So click here first link. This is albastar.es albastar.es website link. Website had a professional website. So many option. So chatting option, messenger chatting option, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, many options showing. So sign in at first. Check-in option. This is the check-in option, boarding pass check-in option. 25 hours before departure. So at first PNR number typing here, 6 digit or number letter typing here. Then last name typing here. Then OK, click here. Then fill up your information. Then seat select, free seat or manually seat select or randomly seat select. Then finally boarding pass showing. Download your boarding pass and print your boarding pass. Thank you all everyone. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.